Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics, question 43 of just ended 2024 NOV-DEC Core Mathematics. This is on logical reasoning. So we have to consider the statement: if one works hard, one must pass his or her examination. That is the statement given to us. So which of the following is a valid conclusion from the above statement? So let's look at this one by one. The first one: Amma is hardworking, so her parents must like her. The conclusion for this: if one works hard, he or she must pass his examination. So if Amma is working hard, does it mean that the parent will like her? That does not have a valid conclusion to that statement. So A will not be the solution you're looking for. Isaac is not hardworking and must fail his examination. It is not all those who are not hardworking will fail. Some might be hardworking and still may not be able to pass the examination. Do you get it? So it is not a conclusion to that statement. So B will also not be an option for that. The Emeka did not pass his examination, so he did not work hard. He didn't pass. From here, they say that if one works hard, he or she must. It's a must that he pass examination. So it simply means that if Emeka did not pass, it means Emeka did not work hard. That could be a valid statement. But let's look at it all before we come back to the solution. John is hardworking, as we can see there, and so must pass his examination. If it ends here, that would be a perfect conclusion to that statement. But here, they've added another aspect to it. He must pass his examination with distinction. There is no correlation between passing and passing with distinction from the statement made here. Because you could have passed, fairly passed, averagely, you can pass. But passing with distinction is also a pass, all right, but that does not stem from the statement from here. So because of the distinction added onto it, that does not make it complete. But if you look at here, Emeka did not, the negative statement, pass his examination, negative to that. So he did not work hard. Not work hard and not pass is a negative statement or negation to the statement we have: must work hard and must pass his or examination. So you can see the best option to pick from here will be the option what? C. And I know in logical reasoning, we also can make use of diagram, as in Venn diagram, to depict what you are looking for. So I'll leave that for you to show that in the comment section, how we can use diagram to be able to depict the statement and its conclusion. I'll be waiting that in the comment section on both YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. Share, like, comment, and